This is an egg, a real one, but later we're going to do golf balls. Watch what our chicken does.
We got one. Now let's load up the rest of them. We're having a contest.
And now...
3, 2, 1.
Oh, she put the golf ball under. And look, this one's pink.
Let's see if she falls for it.
Yeah, let's see if she falls for it.
Okay,
There's
come
like
on.
no way.
Put it in.
Oh! Having some trouble. Get it in, chicken. Oh! I thought her head got stuck. Here you go. Oh,
Come on.
Come on, go, chicken. Come on, KFC. Come on, Kentucky Fried Chicken. We named her after a restaurant, KFC.
Hello?
Chicken. Must be her limit.
Oh, come on.
Oh, yeah. One more? Can you take one more? Come on. Get this stupid golf ball. Oh, yeah. Let's see if she falls for the kind of reddish one.
It kind of has some red spots on it.
Go, Chicky.
Let me kind of turn it.
Chicky. Hey, Chicky. Hey, Chicky. Hey, Mickey, Chicky. Hey, let's see. Maybe if she'll get the yellow one.
I think this is her limit, Megan. Well, this is about it.
Well, we tried the yellow one. It didn't work.